Hello, this is Jeff Kelly, and today I want to talk about pride and bankruptcy. Pride is a pretty big block that honestly blocks a lot of people from doing what they know they should do and what they need to do, but they delay it. I recently met with a client who, after we filed, after we got everything signed, she was like, "Oh my gosh, this is such a relief. I'm not going to have to deal with this anymore. We've got a plan. We've got it under control." And she looked at me and she said, "I should have done this years ago, but I couldn't do it because of my pride." And that statement, it really got me thinking, wow, pride is a big deal. It's a big block. And I got to thinking about it. I bet this stops a lot of people from filing, from moving forward with something good and what they should do. And pride is it's a very interesting topic. Um, I have recently had my own little episode with personal pride getting in the way of doing what I should do and what I need to do. I recently went kayaking with my daughter on the Etowah River. And I looked at the map and I thought, wow, this isn't that far. This is going to be a lot of fun for us, right? Right. And as soon as we got in the river, she was like, "Get me out of here. I can't stand this. Ugh, let's paddle back. Let's get out of here." And we could have, and we should have, but I didn't. Why? Well, probably because of pride. I don't want to be a quitter. Surely I can't be wrong. Boy, was I wrong. When you, I thought the trip would take maybe an hour, maybe 2 hours max, right? And the whole time she was asking, "How much further? How much further? How much further?" Just a little bit further. Don't worry. Don't sweat it. Mm, After about, I don't know, 4 hours, we finally ran into a nice guy who was high up on the hill on the side of the river. And I asked him, I said, "Hey, how much further is it to paddle to Rome?" He's like, "Buddy, you're looking at least, 5, 6, maybe more hours." Oh, man, I should have gotten out right then and right there. What stopped me? My pride. So what do we do? We paddled on a little further, a couple hours further. Why didn't I stop? Pride. I really could have gotten hurt. I could have gotten hurt really bad. And in fact, there was one point where I did try to pull up out of the river. I thought it'd be a good place for it to stop, and I couldn't get up. It was too slick. The embankment was bad, and I fell. And I hit pretty hard on my kayak. I'm lucky, I didn't get a concussion or break my back or something like that. Finally, as it was starting to get dark, we ran into this very sweet couple, a young couple, fishing on the side of the river. And this one gentleman named Joel was so kind to fish us out of the water and let us put our kayaks on his dock and let me call my wife to drive her truck. He opened up his pasture so that she could drive the truck down to the river to get our kayaks. um, Special thanks to my wife for rescuing us, but special thanks to Joel from the Riverbend area for saving us from a disaster. um, what is it about pride? And I really got to thinking about it more. I started to wonder, how many divorces do you think happen in this world because of pride? Why can't people say, "I'm sorry," when they need to, when they should? Well, you know the answer. Pride. Um, why can't people pull out of a river and ask for help from somebody? Eh, pride. Uh, why can't people pick up the phone and call an attorney and ask for help when they're having financial problems? Pride. Pride, pride, pride. Not a good thing. Um, how far will you go to protect your pride? How far are you willing to paddle to protect your pride? Here's one that really hurts. How much suffering are you willing to put your family through because of pride? Some people will go to great lengths to protect their pride. Some people will refuse to apologize. They'll get divorced. Some people get stuck in a river. Some people drain their 401k accounts to make payments to creditors that they have no business doing or paying because of pride, because they're delaying the inevitable. I cannot tell you how many times I will see clients who have a nice 401k saved up and they will literally drain it down to zero before they will come and see me. And that is just so heartbreaking because your 401k is protected from creditors. They can't touch it. It's meant for your retirement. And once your 401k is gone, uh, what's the likelihood you're going to replace it or be able to put it back? I don't know. But it's frustrating because they could have saved all of their 401k, filed bankruptcy, wiped out the credit card debt, gotten a fresh start, and kept all of that money. Pride is expensive. It can cost you time, it can cost you money, it can cost you relationships. It can even cost you your health. Do you know that? Anxiety is not good. The hurt and pain you feel in your stomach because of the stress, that stress on your heart because of the bills that you're not dealing with, that's damaging long term. Don't do that. Um, don't do it at all. Don't let pride blind you to the reality of math. Pride can blind us to the fact that we all need grace at some point. So if you're struggling with debt, pick up the phone and call me. 770-881-8449. It's a free consultation. I'm happy to sit down with you and let's explore your rights. Let's come up with a plan. If Chapter 13 and Chapter 7 are not right for you, I'm going to let you know. I'm going to shoot straight with you. Check out my reviews. I got lots of reviews on Google, and they'll prove to you we tell the truth. We take care of our clients. And I hope to meet you soon. Thank you.